Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions faster than you can say, "Where did that spaghetti stain come from?" Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweight contenders in the steam mop arena. The Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop and the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop. So, grab your popcorn, because we're about to steamroll through some comparisons that will leave you wondering how you ever cleaned your floors without these bad boys. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Shark S5003D is priced at $129, making it the high roller of the two. Reviewers appreciate its features and performance, stating it's worth the investment for its efficiency and deep cleaning capabilities. Meanwhile, the Kenmore SM2050 is cruising in at a much more wallet-friendly $89. Customers like its affordability and value, especially for a versatile 2-in-1 product. If you're budget conscious, the Kenmore might be the way to go. Moving on to cleaning power, the Shark boasts some fancy steam blaster technology, making those pesky stains disappear quickly. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness in tackling stubborn stains and appreciate the adjustable steam settings. On the other hand, the Kenmore claims to remove 99.9% of dust and is chemical-free, which is great for allergy sufferers. Users like its versatility as a handheld cleaner, allowing it to clean various surfaces effectively. Both products have strong cleaning capabilities, but the Shark edges out for those tougher messes. Next, let's compare versatility. The Shark comes with double-sided dirt grip washable pads, allowing you to clean twice as much before washing. Reviewers love this feature for its efficiency. Meanwhile, the Kenmore is not just for hard floors. It can also steam, clean carpets and upholstery. This versatility is praised by users who enjoy its multiple applications around the home. Whether you need to tackle floors or furniture, both mops have unique strengths. Now let's talk user-friendliness. The Shark features touch-free technology, allowing you to switch pads without getting your hands dirty. Reviewers appreciate this convenient feature, calling it magic for its practicality. On the other hand, the Kenmore has swivel steering, making it easier to maneuver around furniture. Users enjoy its lightweight design and ease of use, making cleaning less of a chore. Both products are user-friendly, but they shine in different ways. In summary, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop receives high praise for its powerful cleaning capabilities and innovative features, making it a favorite among those willing to invest in a premium product. Conversely, the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability and versatility, appealing to budget-conscious consumers who still want a capable cleaning tool. So, there you have it, folks. A steamy showdown between the Shark S5003D and the Kenmore SM2050. If you're looking for high-tech features and don't mind spending a bit more, the Shark might be your mop. But if you want versatility and a solid price tag, the Kenmore is a fantastic choice. Whatever you choose, just remember, a clean floor is a happy floor, and a happy floor means fewer excuses for your friends to not come over. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another battle of the products. Now go forth and mop like you mean it.